Hello, this is Not the End Crochet, and I'm bringing to you a different stitch than the basic, well, what was it, 6 or 8, however many it is. And this is the puff stitch. Now the puff stitch is the first non-basic stitch that I learned back when I first started taking crochet series. It can be done 3, 4, 5, and even 6 loops deep. It just depends on how many loops you can successfully pull the last loop through and how fat you want your puff to be. This is a very versatile stitch. I've seen it done in several different stitch patterns. A V puff, diagonal puff, braided puff, zigzag puff, horizontal puff, aligned puff, delayed puff, that's one I came up with for a border, alternating puff, and I think there's one more. But in between the puffs you can put other stuff. It can be used as the main part of your stitch pattern, or it can be used as decorations in your project. In order to use it in all these many ways, you need to know the basic stitch. After that, what, how, and when you use it is up to you. And along with this, I'm going to show you something I just learned, and I hope I'm doing it right. It's called a stack single crochet. So that's a freebie in there, but it helps align things straight on the sides. So that is what I'm going to show you today. If you want to follow along, get your hook and your yarn, and let's get started. I suggest that if you're going to use it in the flat as the main part of your stitch pattern, that you create a foundation chain or foundation row, however you want to word it. This is a pretty thick stitch, and it's going to need something sturdy to sit on that can help hold it in place. Alright, let's get started. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 3 deep puff stitches. We also have a chain, and we have single crochets as the foundation chain. And here on the end, every other end, we have stacked single crochet. Now always remember, if we have, let's say 11 on one row, the next row should have 11, and the next row should have 11, and the one after that, and every preceding row should have the same number of puffs on it. If not, well, you missed a stitch somewhere. Now if you need help knowing how to do the chain, knowing how to do the single crochet, then you are more than welcome to look on my lessons playlist. All that's listed. What I want to concentrate on is just showing you how to do the actual stitch. Okay? So let's see if we can get this turned right. Go in, pull through, yarn over, pull through, go down behind this bar, yarn over, pull through, and hopefully pull through. And that's your stack single crochet. Now I don't want to go over here and start doing my puffs. I want to start right here. So I'm going to yarn over, and I'm doing 3 deep. 1, yarn over, 2, yarn over, go down, 3. And the last yarn over is the one you're going to pull through. Okay, got it through. You want to finish it. There's your puff. That's your very first puff. Now, if you make your loops too tight, then you're going to get a breaker hook or just get frustrated and throw everything over to the side. So you got to be loose with your tension. Can't be tight on the tension with these. Yarn over. Go over here to the next slot. 1, yarn over. 2, yarn over. 3, yarn over. Pull that through. Finish it. There. That's my second puff. Let me pull this in a little bit. It'll let me. Okay. Next one. All close and personal. Yarn over. Go down. Pull through. Yarn over. Go down. Pull through. Yarn over. Go down. Pull through. Want to keep those loose. And here's the last one. I'll pull it through. There, that wasn't hard, was it? Neat little stitch. Okay, I'm going to do a couple of more for you. Okay, I exaggerate the twist and turn of my hook. That kind of loosens things up a little bit. And once you get used to doing it, you won't even have to count. But I advise you to until you learn what you're doing. There you go. Remember, tension is not our friend with this one. Finish it. Okay, make sure you finish it because that will mess with the way your stitches lay. Pull up. I hope that's 3 because sometimes I lose count. Yeah, it looks like 3. It looks like this one. 1, 2, 3. Pull through, finish. Get some yarn. Two, 3. Finish it. 1, 2, 3. Pull through. Finish it. 1, 2, 3. Finish it. And check my stitch count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. So I got one more. It's gonna go right there. 1, 2, 3. Pull through. Sometimes you might have to hold right here with your thumb against your index finger to get it to go through. Okay, finish that off. Ready to turn. And ready to do my stack single crochet. Go in here. Pull through. do a single crochet, go in here, this front one, pull it through, do a single crochet. The ideal behind this is that you want this stacked as high as your stitch is going to be. Okay, start over. 1, 2, 3. There. 1, 2, 3. Finish it. 1, 2, 3. This is alternating. This is not the line or any of the other. This is just a basic stitch pattern for the puff stitch.